Good morning, dear student. Today I will discuss to you class 12th biology chapter principle of inheritance and variation. Dear student, we have discussed in previous classes the sex determinations, that means significance of inheritance of variation. Today I will discuss about the sex determination. First of all, we discussed what process, that means sex determination, will occurs in unisexual organism. The mechanism that determine the formation of a particular sex, that means male or female, is called sex determination. Basis of determination: chromosomes are a genetic factor that determine of sex. Non-chromosomal determination of sex and other mechanism of determination of sex. First of all, we discussed about the genetic determination of sex. Chromosomal theory of sex determination was proposed by E.B. Wilson and Stevenson in 19 to 1905. It was further extended by T.H. Morgan and C. McClung. This theory suggests that all unisexual organisms have one or more sexes of chromosomes which are different in male and female individuals. In certain insects and roundworm, the female has two sex chromosomes, that X chromosomes, while male have only one sex chromosomes. Thus, such female are designated the XX, while male as XO. Initial clues about the importance of X chromosomes was given by Henking 1891. He noted the presence of a specific nuclear structure in 50% of sperms produced by the insects, and is called the X body. Later it was found the X body of Hankins was X chromosomes. In human being, also in Drosophila, the female has two X chromosomes, while male has X chromosomes and one Y chromosomes. Therefore, female produce only one type of gamete with X chromosomes, while male produce two types of gamete or sperms with X chromosomes and Y chromosomes. That is a very simply. You can study in previous classes. Female are homogenetics, while male are heterogenetics. That means XX chromosomes are same female gametes, homogenetics, while male XY chromosomes are heterogenetic. Y chromosomes is normally inert, however it present in essential of maleness. Recent study that suggests the Y chromosomes bears a gene is called strigene. Strigene, that means sex determining sex conformation of genes, which coded of the product is called TDF. TDF means testis determining factor. TDF is required to the development of testis in male sex. Its absence leads to the development of female genitalia, where the female of homogenetic and male are heterogenetics. That means you see the XX and XO types In this case, female produced only one kind of gamete containing X chromosomes, but male produced two kinds of gamete, one with X chromosomes and other without X chromosomes. The sex of the offspring depends upon the types of sperms gamete that fertilize to ovum. For example, some plants, Vallisneria, Spiralis, Dioscorea, Sinuate, and many insects of order Hemiptera, that means true bugs, and Arthroptera, grasshopper, and roaches, etc. That means you see in this diagram that determines the sexes by the chromosomes in difference both human beings and Drosophila. The female has to a pair of XX chromosomes, that is a homogentic, and male have XY chromosomes, that heterogenetics compositions. In many birds females and pair the dissimilar chromosomes ZW up to while ZZ chromosomes. First of all, in male XY, in male, that is the heterogenetic XY and XX types. In this case, the female produced only one kinds of gamete containing X chromosomes, but male produced two kinds of gamete. One is X chromosomes and other is Y chromosomes. That means I tell you in previous topics that the sex of the offsprings depends upon the types of sperms. That means to form the gamete. That gamete produce the fertilizer of ova. That is the example of man, Drosophila, and many other angiosperm plant. In next, XY and XX, that is the bugs, will also, and next ZW and ZZ. In this, the female, in this type of case, female produce two types of eggs, one with single Z chromosomes and other with single W chromosomes. The male, of other hand, produce one kind of sperm carrying only Z chromosomes. For example, many fishes, reptiles, many birds, and gaspy moth and plants like Fragaris elatior. Thank you.